Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We are looking at SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings, on the New York Stock Exchange. We're going to be looking at, have we potentially found the bottom? Are we finally bottoming out on SPCE? Is there a chance to make a trade again? And is this a good time to buy? Let me give you all my thoughts in this video. Let's get straight into it. If you do like the SPCE content, if you do like that we're still keeping up to date with it, please do hit the like button. It really does help the channel and me out, and lets me know you like these videos. Do leave me a comment in the comment section below as well to leave me your thoughts. Are you still owning SPCE, and what are your thoughts? We're looking at it on the weekly time frame first. As we all know, the trend has been horrifically to the downside, and that's why I've said it's one more to trade than to buy long term. But there is reasons why people buy, and I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice, so it's not. I can't tell you what to buy and what not to buy. I'm just here to present the facts, and the facts are looking pretty positive for SPC for a change. What do we have? We've got our first green weekly. We've ticked green on the MACD, which is an indicator showing the momentum is turning green for SPC. And once we turn green, it's very rare we turn green for a day or two. If we go green, we go green for a prolonged amount of time. And we have just hit green, so this might be the beginning of a turnaround for SPC. Looking at the RSI just below it, we are at we are at the lowest levels of RSI for SPC. We have been oversold for a very long time. This must change, in my opinion. I don't think you can stay this oversold forever. We are at levels of 23 and 21 on the weekly levels. Let's move on to the daily. That's telling us more of a midterm situation that SPC should rise, or at least come back up slightly. On the daily time frame, the RSI is not oversold anymore, and the MACD is still green, so that is good. And on the 3-day, which is between the week and the daily time frame, the MACD is gaining momentum nicely, which is bullish, and the RSI is oversold, which is also bullish because that means buyers must come in. So far indicators are looking good. What is next to look at, which is another reason I'm making this video, is because we have a potential bottom. We have finally hit that level we're hoping to come down to, $5.25. It's where this green box is. I haven't changed any of these lines. I've just, before the video, confirmed where they are. And the reason we have this 5.25 level, Fibonacci points, low to high of the last structure, it takes us down to a level of $5.43. Let me make sure I've got this right. $5.43, something like that. Let me check. The Fibonacci takes us down to $5.50, somewhere around there. So that's why our level was around there, and we have just slightly gone below it. But we've finally we've hit the support. So we've hit our target, $5.50. We're very oversold on the RSI on the 3 days and the weekly. The MACD is turning bullish. We do have lower lows but higher lows on the RSI on the daily, which is sort of bullish as well, bullish divergence. So I'm actually looking forward to the next week of SPC. I do think we do have a chance to break the structure. We want to start breaking below above $7.78, $8, and accelerate quite quickly and try and maybe potentially get a short squeeze back up to $12 to $14. I think that is possible. I think we can get another 3x from SPC. I think SPC can surprise a few people. And again, it's one of those times where I'm willing to take the risk to buy SPCE. It's not many times I do it, but I don't mind trading this stock at the levels we are at now. And that's why I'm making this video. I think where we are now is potentially could be a bottom, but more likely might be a nice area to take a trade to make some money, to buy some more SPC shares. That is the end of the video. It's not a long one, it's just a quick update for you guys. If you do appreciate the quick updates, if you do still hold SPC, please do hit that like button. Do watch these 2 videos we have for you over here as well. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.